Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and reset your Chromecast. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, it's a very easy way for you to do so. First of all, simply go ahead, and in the back of your Chromecast you will be able to find this kind of button as we have highlighted over here. All you have to do is do not deattach it, do not unplug it. Whilst it's plugged, simply you have to press and hold that particular button. It will turn yellow, aka the light will turn yellow. Once the light is turned yellow, you have to keep on pressing again, do not leave it. When the yellow light turns white, simply release it afterwards, and then your Chromecast will be reset. Afterwards you can leave it. You can again try to go back to your Chromecast and check it if it is not. If it's not, again repeat the process as I have mentioned over here. Otherwise it will be done in one go. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.